Hey guys, it's Gabby. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. So today is Valentine's Day and I'm going to be doing my hair. As you can see, it is in its natural state. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just get it together today. So I'm going to be showing you the hairstyle I'll be doing today. Of course, this is not just the style you can wear for Valentine's Day. You can also wear it for other occasions. But yeah, I'm just going to be doing it for Valentine's Day. So if you're interested, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a part right here, kind of like lined up with the angle of my eyebrow. So yeah, and that's actually a pretty good part, pretty decent. Let's see. Is really good. All right, so now we're just gonna go ahead and clip it, and then I'm going to make a part straight down, kind of going right behind my ear. And clean it up a little bit. Alright, yeah, so that is good. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a small portion of the back into a ponytail to get it out the way. And we're going to focus on this section right here. Alright, so here I am going to make 2 flat twists. So let's kind of put this right here. Alright, so here we go. So we've got 2 sections here on the side, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clip up this section. Where is my clips? Oh, here's one. Alright, so let's use a pink one. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and detangle with our wide tooth comb, and we're just gonna start from the ends and work our way up. Alright, don't need to do too much. That's perfect. Alright, and the section looks like that. Alright, next up I'm going to take my Shine and Jam. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm going to take my Shine and Jam. And this is the Conditioning Gel Extra Hold. And we are just going to go ahead and apply this around the perimeter. So right here, and underneath. And then just massage it in, and then also I'm just going to apply a little bit to the back of the section as well. And then we're going to split the sections into smaller sections and just lightly apply some more product down the shaft, just like that. Alright. And then I'm just going to continue to massage this product in. And we're just going to go through with the comb one more time. Alright. Okay, so now that I've got product on this section and on this section, I'm going to go ahead and start with the flat twist. Alright, so what I want to do first is I just want to kind of carve out a smaller section here. Alright, and then we're just going to start to twist. And then towards the end of the twist, we're just going to comb it out and then just continue to twist up the section. Alright, and it looks like that. So there are the 2 twists in front. Alright, I'm not going to worry about this front section yet. We're just gonna move on to the back so I can show you how I flat twist the back. Okay, so for this side, I'm just gonna go ahead and just braid 4 braids going down. So I'm gonna secure this out the way with a bobby pin. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that, and then we're just gonna go ahead and pull the whole look together. So I've got this free twist hair here. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out the package so you can get a better view of it. I took one of the sections, all right, just like that. Very, very bouncy. All right, you could leave it like this, but I like volume, so I'm just gonna split it where it naturally splits, and then I'm going to go ahead and split it one more time. All right, and this is the 2 strands that you'll see. I'm gonna start to crochet in the back first. All right, and then we're just gonna work our way throughout this entire section. All right. Okay, so I'm going to tone down some of the frizziness of this hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same Shine and Jam extra hold, and I'm just going to smooth it down just like that, and then just twist it maybe twice in my fingers. And as you can see, you get a more uniform curl. So I'm just going to continue to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and just give you a 360 of the style first. So this is the side. This is the back, the other side. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I think everything definitely came together, and this is a Valentine's Day inspired look, of course, but you can definitely rock this look for, you know, any type of occasion, whether it be work, a wedding, first day of school, formal event, any type of occasion. You literally can rock this look. Now thankfully, all of the items that I used in this video I already had laying around, so I did not have to take that trip to the beauty supply store, which was a blessing, and I was able to get myself together on Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. Let me know if you plan on trying out this look in the comment section below, and guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.